Okay, what do we have here? We have... Oh, fuck me, it's my last cigarette. We have an ashtray made out of either a peanut butter jar lid or a coffee lid covered in tin foil. Real classy. And here we have a box. A box to something that does not stand up by itself at all. It says Saberlight on the front. It has an opening where you're supposed to put your lighter and you're supposed to put your USB cord that is included. About $10 on eBay or $15 or maybe whatever. Why the fuck would you want a proposal box? Is this for like if you're proposing to a smoker or something like that? Like, marry me. Come on, that's ridiculous. Why do they need this? That probably jacked the cost up like a whole $1. Okay, Saberlight. Why is this cool? Well, you can recharge it by USB, meaning as long as the battery in here that's self-enclosed survives, this thing will light forever and ever and ever, as long as you remember to recharge. I've only had to charge it once, and what happened was when I let it run down was that the arc got really weak and shitty looking, and I thought that was interesting, but actually that meant it was running out of juice. Okay, so upon opening it, you can press either coil, which I just did, which lets you light it from other side. So if you have one person on this side, they can be lighting it from this other side, which could look really weird if you have two people lighting their cigarette at the same time. People think they're fucking making out or some shit. Okay, and then to light it up a second way, you close it, reopen it, boom, and you got some Emperor fucking force lighting shit going on. And when it's yellow, it means you have a bunch of jizz paper up there from your cigarette. And when it's purple, it means it's nice and clean. Okay, let's light this bitch. Oh, I gotta go to the store now. The coil one's pretty boring, so fuck that. But the arc one's pretty cool. That's some mighty fine smoke. Yeah. It's really that simple. The only other thing to really say about this is that the rim of the USB port lights up blue when you plug it in. Am I going to drag a USB hub over here and plug this in just to show you that blue? The fuck I am. As for the quality of the cigarettes that it is able to light, well, it's good enough for this fucking thing. Yep, that's it. They're cool. They're only about anywhere from $10 to $15 on eBay, and if you're paying more, you got fucking screwed up the ass. You know, I couldn't help but just notice something when I was reviewing that. When I had this on, well, not only did that light up blue, but it also messed up the audio. That's weird. It's almost like it's giving out an RF field or something like that that's messing up the camera's audio. Like, for instance, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. See? It's fucking up my audio. I don't know why that is. Let's see. How very odd. Also, on video it looks a lot more yellow than it does in real life. It's actually more purple. I don't know, maybe the hissing sound that the arc makes to the camera sounds like wind, so it's doing some perhaps noise cancellation and stuff, you know. It's trying to differentiate between what's background sound and what is, you know, the normal talking sound. That's really odd, though. I really don't understand the science of that. It shouldn't be messing it up, but it is. And it's really loud. I mean, over here, I shouldn't be able to even hear that. How very odd. Yep. And that's all there is left to say about it.
You set my soul on fire. It is not just a little spark. It is a flame. A big roaring flame. I can feel it now.